Looking for furnace inspection in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important a well-maintained furnace is for keeping your home warm and energy efficient. Our expert furnace inspection service helps detect potential issues before they turn into costly repairs. We ensure your system runs safely and efficiently, saving you money on energy bills and preventing unexpected breakdowns. In Edmonton, cold winters put extra stress on heating systems. That's why our certified technicians perform thorough inspections, checking for wear, testing safety components, and optimizing performance for maximum efficiency. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get trusted expertise, upfront pricing, and fast, reliable service tailored to your needs. Don't wait for furnace issues. Schedule your inspection today and keep your home comfortable all season long.